Hello everyone, welcome back to the Maui and Bub Show. Mallory here. Today we're going to be making some slime. What you'll need is a tablespoon of borax, a mixer. I'm going to be using a spoon. You'll also need a bowl, some food coloring, some Elmer's glue, warm water, and if you want to keep the slime after you're done making it, you can use an airtight container like this one. So let's get started to making the slime. So the first thing you're going to do is add your glue to the bowl. Now I'm going to dump in 1/4 cup of water. And now I'm going to be adding some food coloring. I'm going to be adding the color yellow. And I'm going to put in 2 drops of that. 1,
2, 1.
And screw that back on. And then you want to mix it to make the whole thing yellow. Yeah. Now I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of borax. And this is when the slime will come together, I think. So you want to mix it together like this. So now I'm basically finished. All you want to do is knead the slime and play with it. And also, when you're finished, you can store it in an airtight container and store it in the fridge so it doesn't mold.
20 Mule Team Borax. Elmer's Glue. Maui Wowie. Where's the bubs? Warm water. My only question is, who's gonna clean up all this mess?
You.
Not me.
Fine, I'll do it.
Maui and Bub Show, signing off from North Natomas, California. The 916. And we're out.